Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I wanted to share some nice swatches from some Madam Glam gel polishes that I was able to choose and receive just to try them out and show you guys what I think about it. So I got a lot, or not really like a lot, but 6 chameleon gel polishes. So yeah, the first one I'm showing you is Cup of Tea and I'm just going to go through them one by one once I am swatching them. The second one is my Bestie and Me, and for some reason the M from the word Madam is lost on this one. I don't know why, but it's not a big deal. The third one is Hot Hot Hot. I really like that one, by the way, just a little like sneak peek. Then I have Pop Goes My Heart. And as I said, these are all chameleon or like temperature based gels. And the next one is called It's a Funny World. And then the last one I chose is called Princess Jasmine, which I really like. And Aladdin is like a big theme like lately. And yeah, I just really like that one. But as usual, I'm going to swatch them all first on a prepped swatch stick or nail practice stick thingy, however you want to call them. And I am going to apply one layer of each shade, topping it off with the no wipe top coat and just showing you the colors when I dip it in hot and cold water. But this first one is called Cup of Tea. I felt like this one needed a little extra, so you have to apply a little bit more than what you're used to. Of course, you can also just go for like 2 thin layers instead of 1 thicker. Each layer has to be cured in UV or LED for 30 to 60 seconds. So these have to cure a little bit longer than the average like mainstream Madam Glam gel polishes. But yeah, I am going to cure each layer for at least 30 seconds and the top coat is just a 30-second cure. So here on the left I have just boiled water, so that's like pretty hot, and on the right I have my cold water, and this will be the same for each and every like color swatch showcase, if you want to call it like that. But here you can really see what the cold temperature does with the gel polish, which is so cool. I really love this one. I do have to say that I thought that the colder side would be more of like a burgundy dark purple shade, as you actually see on the bottle, but it's more of like a medium purple to magenta kind of shade, and the warm side of this gel polish is kind of like a lavender pinkish color. I really love it though, and it's just so much fun to play with. Once you have cured it all, you can have like a ton of fun with that. I've played with it like the entire evening after I swatched them all, and yeah, it's just really cool to just see how it changes. Then the second one, this one is so pretty as well. This one is called My Bestie and Me. Again, this one needs a little bit more work. I feel like these chameleon polishes, I want to say like thermal polishes all the time because I'm used to calling them thermal polishes. But sorry about that if I mispronounce it or call it something else. These are chameleon gel polishes. But I feel like these, like the ones without any glitter in it, are a little thin. But yeah, you really have to work with them a little bit more. They're a little bit more difficult to apply than the regular like creamy gel polishes by Madam Glam, but they aren't a hassle at all. You just have to like swipe over with your brush a little bit more to just get a more beautiful and even opaque layer. But here you can see the purple color in the warm water, and then I'm going into the cold water. This is just random tap water. I didn't feel like doing anything special with it, but yeah, that's the effect it gives. It is a little bit less noticeable than the other colors, but I really do like this effect. It is just a slight difference in color, which I really like, but you will be able to see this better once you have applied it on your natural nails, of course, or you can also apply it on top of acrylic or anything like that. That's no problem. But yeah, I really like it. It's kind of like a dark purple and a little bit more darker purple. But yeah, next up is one of my favorites. This one is Hot Hot Hot. It is a super bright orange which turns into a super yellowy kind of shade. It just reminds me of fire. I really love this one, and again here you can see it is a little bit more on the thicker side, so you need to work with the gel a little bit more, but still it really isn't a hassle. I would say just apply a little bit of a thicker layer for these chameleon gel polishes with the glitter in it, because that way you get like the most pretty, like diverse glitter pattern as well. But yeah, I really like this one, and just look how it came after curing out of my light. I just really love it. I think it's so pretty. But I'm just going to dunk it in some hot water on the left again, and then to show the difference in super bright color on the right in the cold water. And here you can really see it changing. It's like magic. It is so cool. I'm just such a 90s girl, because like thermal polishes and chameleon polishes like these were really a big thing, like late 90s, early 2000s, and I'm born in 1990, so yeah, I was just born and raised with this trend. So I think it's really cool that I do have some gel polishes now which give the same cool effect, especially if you have long natural nails like I do. You can really see the effect, and of course I'm going to work with them as well in a later video. But then the next one is called Pop Goes My Heart, and this one is a purple which changes into a blue shade. I really do like the purple like deepness of the purple color. How do you say that? Like the richness of the color. I think it's really beautiful. And I also have to mention that I wasn't disappointed in how the glitters in this polish apply as well. Sometimes glitter polishes, whether it's regular nail polishes or gel polishes, can be a little bit of like a pain in the butt, but these really apply like flawlessly. You don't have to really work with them to apply them really easily. They're just really like nicely like dispersed. How do you say that? They're like through and through the entire polish, if you know what I mean. But here you can see that on the hot side, it turns into a medium like sky blue kind of color, and I think it's just really pretty. But then just look at that color changing into that gorgeous purple. I did have to wiggle a little bit because the hot water was like really hot, like 90 degrees Celsius, just below boiling point, and the tap water was just straight from my faucet, so that was, I think, like 15 degrees or something. So yeah, here you can see the difference, or like the gradient in color, and I really do like that it really is like a flowy gradient or ombre effect. So yeah, I really like them, and I think that if I would have held it longer in the cold water, it would have been more of like a purpley color on the end. But I really like this one. I think it's very pretty. Then another of my favorites is called It's a Funny World, and this effect, oh lordy. I really love, again, the richness of the bluish purpley kind of color, and then just the transition into that beautiful pinky purpley color is just gorgeous. I saw another swatch photo on the Madam Glam site as well about this one, and it was so beautiful. Like, oh lord. I can really appreciate like a good gel polish color, especially these chameleon ones. I just really love them. But you will see in a little like minute how it looks. So here you have like the pinky side, which is when you dunk it into hot water, it turns really pinkish, kind of like a lilac-y pink. And into the hot water, it turns into a beautiful purpley bluish kind of effect. I just really love it. You can actually just hear it by hearing me speak how like positive and enthusiastic I am about these. Just look at that. Look at how gorgeous those colors are. But I just wanted to give you a little like information as well about Madam Glam, because I actually have a discount code, which is femketje30. It is also in the description box, and I will pin it in a comment as well. So if you do want to check these out, or any other gel polishes by Madam Glam, I really recommend them. I'm not being paid or anything like that to make this video or even share my discount code. I'm not getting anything because of it. It is just something I was able to give my dear subscribers just to save some money as well. So if you do want to check them out, you can always just use my discount code, and the link is down below as well. But yeah, the last one I got is again one of my favorites. I'm really in love with these colors with the glitter in. There is like different sizes of glitter, but this one is called Princess Jasmine, and when it is in hot water it turns into a very light blue, really pretty. And when you put it into the cold water, it will turn into a darker medium blue. Really gorgeous. I love it. It does really remind me of Princess Jasmine's like outfit and stuff like that. I think it's just really pretty, and I am definitely going to have a lot of wear time out of this one. Especially now my nails are still like pretty long. I can't wait to apply this one onto my nails. But yeah, I'm really happy with these colors. I've never tried like a thermal or a chameleon gel polish like this before. These are all soak-off polishes. They are 9-free, they are vegan, and they contain 10 milliliters per bottle. The bottle is a little bit different than the bottles you get from their regular like creamy or glittery gel polishes, which are the soak-off ones. But I don't really mind that though. They're like a little bit smaller, but the brush is just as good as I'm used to by Madam Glam. So yeah, I'm really happy about it. And regularly the gel polishes go for $19.95 in dollars, but again they have like regular discounts, and you can use my 30% discount as well if you want to. But here I'm just putting some of the colors like 2 at a time into the hot water. Just look at that hot one. It is just, oh wow. I just really like it. But yeah, I just wanted to mention as well that I'm really sorry if I sound a little bit off. I've had a really rough week and I'm really tired. I didn't get much sleep at all. Like, it went up to just only 2 hours a night, and I'm kind of exhausted. So sorry if I do sound a little bit off or tired or anything like that. I do really am like happy with these gel polishes, and I'm definitely going to wear them on my own nails again or as well, and make some like gel polish of the week videos about them. And you can also follow me on Instagram, because I do share a lot in my stories there about what I'm wearing, what I did receive to try out, and so on. But yeah, I really want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know which are your favorites, or maybe you already have some of these like chameleon gel polishes. They're all soak off, by the way, so that is a big plus. But thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comments down below, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos.